Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 17th, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So, first of all, today is FOMC interest rate for the US dollar, or the US itself, and that is definitely a big news event. Now, the yen is a risk on, risk off currency, so it is a very good likelihood that it will get affected. I will be live streaming for that news event starting 30 minutes before it's dropped, so definitely make sure to check that out. Anyways, on the 4-hour time frame, I had this labeled as an ABC yesterday, but now that it went back up and made pretty much a double top, I think it's more a WXY, 1, 2, 3 waves up, 1, 2, 3 waves down, 1, 2, 3 waves up. So it makes more sense for it to be a WXY. I need to see a break of structure down on this time frame to really confirm that this is the end of a pullback. If it breaks that structure, then I definitely will be pretty heavily looking for shorts over the next few days at the end of pullbacks, because at that point it very likely would go all the way back down to here and make a wave C, probably a wave C of wave 4 on the very high time frames. So for me personally, I mean, I would technically still be recommending longs because there is a chance it makes a higher low and goes up, but I'm really hoping to see a break of structure so that way I can start looking for shorts on pullbacks. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.